there, welcome back to my channel. Today's a really exciting video. It's my birthday, you guys. Today's my birthday, November 12th. I'm super excited. I turned 29. I got myself a birthday gift, so you guys are probably going to be seeing this before my birthday vlog. So I decided to get my husband the Apple Watch 3 Series 3. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do something nice. I know he's been wanting one. Everybody at work has one, and I was like, no, I'm gonna give him the Apple Watch. So I got him one, and then me as well, I've been wanting one for a while as well. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna treat myself, and I got myself an Apple Watch as well, the Apple Watch Series 3. And you guys are gonna actually see his watch in our birthday vlog video. I got him the black Apple Watch Series 3, and I got myself the silver Apple Watch Series 3 with the white band. So let's go ahead and open it. This is actually not a real unboxing because I already opened it and set it up. I just want to show you guys the box and everything that came with it. So go ahead and open it. So here is the watch in the case. Looks just like this with the white band. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. So you guys, I already set it up, but like I said, I already have my passcode, so I'm gonna go ahead and unlock it. And I have my daughter and my son as my lock screen, and I already set up the faces, so that's my main face. Here's the other face I chose. I love the pink writing. It's showing like my podcast that I listen to. It took me a while to get used to this. I've only had it for a couple days, but so here's my little dock, which you guys can see what I have on there, Facebook Messenger, photos, everything like this. And even though it doesn't come with a Facebook or Instagram app, I did find a way to get on Instagram and Facebook on my Apple Watch. If you guys want to see a video about that, I could do that separately, but I was super excited about this. My emails, my phones, and what's really cool is the Walkie Talkie app. I had my husband, so me and my husband was like chirping each other in the house and calling each other on the little walkie-talkie. So I thought that was really cool. Here's this, and then when you slide up, it tells you, you know, it's connected to Wi-Fi. I did get the 38mm watch, which is the GPS one, which means that it is not cellular, it's just the Wi-Fi version. Notifications right now is 27%, so I definitely have to charge it. The walkie-talkie, do not disturb. It shows that it is waterproof, so you can go swimming and everything like that. There is the right there, the flashlight. There's airplane mode, and then there's if you want to airdrop when I am texting on the watch. If I want to airdrop something to my husband or something, or whoever I'm texting, it does have that option. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go through my apps. I have my webcam app, so I can see like my camera because I do have surveillance at home. My Pandora, so I can listen to music. My Facebook Messenger, so I can reply to my messages. Like I said, I did add my Capital One app to check my credit card. And these are just all the basic apps that come with the Apple Watch. So you guys, I'm loving it so far. And then I love, like, if you click on a app, so let's say I click on Pandora, I could scroll on the little crown and it opens Pandora. Then I could scroll like this. Then let's say if I want to go to my messages right here, I would just scroll scroll right here, and then it will open my messages. So super cool. I love that, you guys. I had to get used to, you know, scrolling because my other smartwatch didn't scroll. I just pressed the button. But yeah, you guys, this is so awesome. I love it. I'll probably do like a follow-up video once I figure out how to do everything. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what came in the box. So which I really liked is it does come with the extra band, which I think is awesome because you never know, like if something happens, if the band gets messed up, you have a backup one. It shows you how to change the bands and everything like that. So that is the first little booklet. Then there's paperwork, you know, that always comes in it with a little fine print, some other paperwork. And here is the charger that looks like this. It just is like a little dock like this with the USB charger, and basically what you do with the watch is just, so here's the dock, and you just place the watch right on it like that. And if it was plugged in, it would just say charging once you plug it into the wall. So I really love that. You don't have to hook anything into the watch or connect anything. It just charges just like that, which I think is awesome. All my other watches has been, you know, not name brand smartwatches where there's nothing wrong with it, but I wanted a watch that I could actually use when I don't have my phone on me or with me. So it's like I could be in the house, I could be in another room, and somebody will call me. Well, on my previous watch, I wouldn't be able to answer it or anything. All I would be able to do on my previous watch is either hang up on calls, or it would give me my notifications like text messages, social media posts, but I wouldn't get the option to reply to it. So basically my watch was just alerting me to get to my phone, which, I mean, it was good for a little bit, but not in the long run. So I was like, you know, I want to get the Apple Watch because I want to be able to answer my calls on my watch when I'm in the other room and my phone might be charging or something. I want to be able to reply to my notifications, Instagram, Facebook, everything like that. And you're able to obviously to do that with the Apple Watch. So I'm super happy with my purchase. I love it. I didn't go with the black or the gold because, as you guys saw, my Let's Calm watch was a rose gold watch. Like, why am I basically gonna get a watch that was exactly like my last watch? So I didn't go with the rose gold. I ended up going with the silver with the white band because I really liked how the silver looked with the white band, and I'm probably in a while gonna switch out the bands and get different colors. So I think the silver will look really good with that. And of course I got my babe the black one, which he just likes plain black, which is like his other watch as well, but he wanted to keep it black. Me, I did want to change it, and I just love how the silver looks. I think it is so nice and sleek, and I'm really happy with my purchase. So like I said, this really isn't an unboxing. This is really just me showing you guys my new watch. I'm super happy with it. I can't wait to wear it out. I have worn it out on my husband's birthday, but I haven't worn out like for a while. So I'm really excited about that. So as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.